نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم سبحانك لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Lesson 2. In this lesson we will be learning how would you say in Arabic your book, your pen, your house and your masjid. So it is not so difficult, it's easy. Book is kitabun, just add kaf at the end of the word. It will be kitabuka, meaning your book. Kitabuka. And one thing to remember, that when we add kaf to kitabun, the two dhamma becomes one. The two dhamma becomes one. It will be kitabuka. It will not be kitabunka. It will be kitabuka. The two dhamma becomes one. Kitabuka, meaning your book. So now let's translate. Your pen, your house, your masjid. So again the formula is just add kaf at the end of the word. Pen is qalamun. Your pen will be qalamuka. Qalamuka. House is baytun. Your house will be baytuka. Baytuka. Masjid is masjidun. Your masjid will be masjiduka. Masjiduka. So let's review. Book is kitabun, and your book is kitabuka. Kitabuka. Pen is qalamun, and your pen is, say it loud, your pen is qalamuka. Qalamuka. House is baytun, and your house is baytuka. Baytuka. Masjid is masjidun, and your masjid is masjiduka. Masjiduka. So now one thing to remember. Kaf with fatha comes for masculine or male. Remember, kaf with fatha or zabar comes for masculine, and kaf with kasra comes for feminine. Kaf with kasra comes for feminine. This is the difference, and you have to know, you have to memorize this. So the use of kaf for masculine. For example, kayfa haluka? How are you? You're asking someone, kayfa haluka? How are you? Ana bikhair. I'm fine. Ma ismuka? What is your name? Ismi Hamid. My name is Hamid. So if you look, kayfa haluka, kaf with fatha, you're asking a man his condition. Ma ismuka, you are asking a man his condition. Ma ismuka, I mean his name. Ma ismuka, what is your name? Ma is what? Ism is name. Ka is yours. Ma ismuka, what is your name? So let's see the kaf for feminine. Kayfa haluki? How are you? Ana bikhair. I am fine. Ma ismuki? What is your name? Ismi Hamida. My name is Hamida. So here you are now talking to a female. The opposite person you are speaking to is female. So that's why you say kayfa haluki. You don't say كيف حالك. If you ask a female كيف حالك, she will say Astaghfirullah, I'm not a man. So you don't say كيف حالك to a female. You say كيف حالك or ما اسمك. Just remember. So one more thing to remember. While reading or speaking, when you stop, you don't say the last haraka. Of course, when we are reading Quran, we know that. So let's example. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. When we stop, what do we do? إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. So becomes sakin. Dhamma becomes sakin because we're stopping. So this is the rule of Arabic. While you are reading, or when you are reading or reading Quran or speaking, same way. So qalamuka will become qalamuk. Masjiduka will become masjiduk. Baytuki will become baytuk. Kitabuki will become kitabuk. So when we stop, then it becomes sakin. So you can stop for a female kaifa haluk, for a man kaifa haluk. Ma ismuk or ma ismuk, both female or male. So let's see the kaf in the Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, Rabbuka, your Lord. Rabb, Lord, ka, your. Ilahuka, Ilah is God, and kaf is yours, your God. Min ibadika, from your slaves. Min, from, ibad, slaves, ka, yours. Min ibadika, from your slaves. So remember one more thing, that kaf also comes for you. Now we are learning up to now your. Now it can come for you. It depends on the context. Kaf with fatha, it is for masculine, and kaf with kasra is for feminine. The meaning is you. This example. So the kaf with fatha in the Quran, which comes for you. Iyyaka na'budu. Only you we worship. So Iyya, only, ka, you, na'budu, we worship. So the translation is only you we worship. We cannot say only yours or your we worship. So the meaning will be wrong. So Iyyaka na'budu, only you, na'budu, we worship. Innaka, indeed you. Innaka, indeed you. Subhanaka, glory be to you. Subhanaka, glory be to you. So you should look at the context, then you would know the meaning. It is yours, or your, or you. So now let's see kaf with kasra, which comes for feminine in the Quran. So this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says Zakaria, and it's a story of Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam. When Zakaria alayhi salatu wasalam goes to Maryam, and there finds fruits, and she's not in a room, and he says, قال يا مريم أن لك هذا. He said, "O Maryam, from where did you have this?" So he is speaking to Maryam. That's why it's lucky. The hazir, or the person he's speaking to, is female. So that's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is using lucky for you. Qala, he said, Ya Maryam, O Maryam, Anna, where, or from where, lucky for you, hadha, this. So Qala, he said, Ya Maryam, O Maryam, Anna is for where, lucky for you, hadha, this. So things to memorize And this is the juice of the whole lesson, that you have to memorize this. Kaf counts for your and you. Kaf with fatha, masculine. Kaf with kasra, feminine, for your and you. So this is the lesson. Kaf with fatha comes for your and you. And kaf with kasra comes for your and you. This has to be memorized. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to study, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the understanding, the true understanding of Quran. From now on, you should study the Quran with understanding. Whatever you learn, you should apply. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.